you know, in the world, but not of it. So are you saying, with all of us facing, mortgages being repossessed and the panicking of jobs being lost, and what would you consider our approach to those everyday, grocery bills going up? What would you consider the approach to that as a spiritual person? How should we approach those challenges that are in the everyday world?
I think by non-resistance, by acceptance. You accept the fact that there's nothing but peanut butter and bread in the house to eat. So you got peanut butter and bread in the house to eat. So what is your complaint? So in a purified state, you let go wanting to change anything. You let everything be as it is, and then see the perfection and beauty of all that exists, and know that God supplies all that is needed. And if something further is needed, it will be provided, or you will be moved to go for it. Mm-hmm. Something, and you will say, well, I think I'll look in the top shelf. There might have been a box of crackers, and by God, there is. Uh-huh.
Okay. Because, so many of us are facing, challenges as far as it goes, and it's not who we are, it's the world outside of ourselves that are producing all these challenges to us. So it's a little difficult sometimes to have faith and let go.
Well, it's what we perceive as challenges. It's a threat to the things that we're attached to. So if I'm worried about something, that means I've become attached to it. So what I do personally, is I surrender my attachment to it, or my belief that I need it for happiness or for life itself. Okay?